What's up, family? Welcome back to another video. My name is Derica, and if you have not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Y'all, we are on the road to 10K. We are growing fast, and it's all because of you guys, so thank you so much. Today's video is going to be a two-part video. Everybody is asking, where are those square rolling trays that we get for $1 at Dollar Tree? Okay, they are sold out. And so today I am here to show you other options that you can use. One of these trays, you guys, costs less than $1, and it is now my favorite tray. So you have to stick around to the end to get that tray, okay? Because I'm gonna plug y'all in. And the second part of this video, I'm going to actually show you guys how I make the complete rolling tray set. Also, I have one subscriber who has been asking about a Michael B. Jordan. So if you are a Michael B. Jordan fan, like a lot of us are, okay, because homeboy is fine. fine. But stick around, so I'll show you guys how I make a Michael B. Jordan tray set. And also to my subscriber who has been asking for this tray, this set is for you. I'll be sending you this tray. So go ahead and hit me up on my Instagram with your address. That way I can send this tray set to you, my love. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, you guys. So as we all know, those square trays are gone. Now, if you do know, the trays come with these circle trays or these oval trays. Now, these are kind of hard to find too, because I guess once all the square trays got missing, people started buying these. If you can still find these, then these are at Dollar Tree. They're a little too girly for me, so if a woman asks for a tray, I'll ask her if she would like this type of tray. But like I told you before, I use my new trays now. If you can still find these trays, I would say load up on these trays. And not only can you use these trays as rolling trays, you guys, these trays can be used for anything. Another option, these bad boys right here. Y'all have probably seen people make trays out of this. One of my favorite YouTubers, her name is The Best Uni. I love Sis. Sis is so dope. But I've seen her make trays, rolling trays out of this. And this you get from Dollar Tree for $1. It is a lunch tray. It's like a plasticky, but it's look, it don't bend. It's like really sturdy. But I've seen where this part you'll put your larger image, or you put images in all of them actually. You'll have your lighter sitting here, your stash jar sitting here, your grinder sitting here. You know, you just have different compartments. So you'll have one tray that fits everything. So I like that idea. I love that idea actually. Next, you guys, I've seen this tray on Facebook. It's a little unusual, but it works. But I love it. When I seen it, I was like, you know what? Y'all are coming up with some creative ideas, because this right here, let me just show it to you guys. This right here is a cutting board. It's a glass cutting board. Anybody else like ASMR? I like tapping on stuff, so sorry. And what you do is you take vinyl, you guys, and you put it on the back side. Of course, reverse your image, stick the vinyl on the back side. That way you have a clear front side, but you can see straight through it. This has a covering on it, so you can't see, of course, how clear it is, but it's super clear. So you'll stick your vinyl on the back, and you'll roll on the front, and it's dope, y'all. It's dope. When I seen them, I was just like, y'all are so creative, because that was a dope idea. So now, you guys, this is my favorite tray. These are now my go-to trays. They are these right here. They are I want to say 6x9 or 5x9. I want to say plastic material, but they're durable, they're thick. I'll insert some pictures so that you can see how I've decorated these trays. These trays are 45 cents. 45 cents, okay? I'm still not gonna tell y'all who the plug is until the end of the video, so you have to stick around to figure out who this plug is, okay? This works. It works well with the epoxy. It works well with the spray painting. I love this tray. I love this tray. So stick around to the end of this video to get the plug on where I get these trays, y'all. Please don't go buying 1,000 of these trays. Please share, please, because y'all did it up with Dollar Tree, and I'm just hoping that they're able to make more, find more, however they get their trays. Those are a few options that I have when it comes down to rolling trays or beauty trays. There are tons of other options. You guys, use your imagination. You do not only have to use that one tray that comes from Dollar Tree. Let's go ahead and get into the video. See y'all in part 2.